Okay, trade recap. Let's get into it. You guys read the title. So, I was actually looking for price action to go higher today. Price did exactly that. It actually expanded beautifully to the upside. However, we didn't end up catching this long, just took our one trade on the trading day. But let's recap what happened, why we ended up taking the trade, where we could have done a little bit better with the trade that we did take. Starting off on the daily time frame, I wanted to see these daily highs get taken as we continue to the upside. We also ended up forming a 4-hour BISI bullish for value gap. I wanted to see price action retrace for. We did exactly that. Made a retracement, also taking out these internal lows. Once we made the retracement into the bullish 4-hour, I scaled down in time frame and seen we did what? We formed a change in state of delivery to the upside. The change in state of delivery was right here. You can see I ended up getting a mid fill, if I'm being completely honest. I ended up executing market order, didn't decide to wait for limit. Could have potentially, but if price action would have continued to expand to the upside, not having given us a retracement, let's say we did hit take profit, and we never got an execution due to looking for a limit, we would have sat here complaining, right? So executed market order, had around a 60-point stop, pretty large stop, I'm not gonna lie. I wanted to see the 4-hour bullish for value gap expansion to the upside, or I wanted to see price action continue to expand to the upside, validating this bullish 4-hour, having the change of state of delivery be that confluence. So we did exactly that, ended up forming an SMT at these highs with ES. If I go right here, the SMT was right here, and a change in state of delivery back to the downside. Once we formed this change in state of delivery back to the downside with that SMT, I assumed price action was looking to continue lower, possibly take out this internal or even make a retracement for this hourly bullish for value gap I had marked out, which we did exactly that. Ended up getting stopped out, and price action continued back to the upside. I know some people took trades within this area right here. This area being right here, got stopped out, and then ended up taking a second trade, catching the longs to the upside. I did have clear draws on the trading day, had internal highs here and external, but I really only do take one trade a day. I haven't quote experimented with taking multiple, primarily because I just haven't focused on really taking multiple trades. I mean, depends if the opportunity is there. Even so, I don't think I would have taken a second trade on the trading day. If I'm being completely honest, price action did take out these internal lows, made that retracement. However, there wasn't any change of state delivery to the upside. I would have liked to see no SMT at these lows. I mean, maybe if I go on a higher time frame. Let's see. 15. Nope. Not anything that I see. Not with ES at least. With YM maybe. But I don't look at YM. Okay. Let's see. Actually, this will be easier if we do this. Somebody is calling me. Oh. Thank you. Bang. Just see if I miss anything. Nothing, or well, that's not YM. Nothing here. Nothing that I notice, at least, when just looking at it in hindsight like this. Maybe if I scale out in higher time frame, maybe I miss an SMT. However, nothing, no opportunity in order to execute on, what is it called? NQ in order to catch the longs to the upside. But that's really today's trading day. I'm going to go recap this trade as per usual. Maybe see how we could have taken advantage of the longs to the upside. Maybe execute on this break structure back to the upside. But the one thing I could have improved on within this trade is probably the timing of the execution. Or sorry, not the timing, the entry itself. It really did scuff up the risk reward. And the trade was a little upon that execution. So, But apart from that, it was still a solid trade within my model. Higher time frame for value gap retracement, change state delivery to the upside, looking to target internal. However, timing was just off. There's nothing wrong with that. Price action continues to expand to the upside. Probably going to keep doing that. Who knows? But thank you guys for watching. Love you guys. Peace. Ooh.